So how do you do your partners? And in today's video, I've shown these Mongolian banknotes before, but we're going to check the UV features of these banknotes. As these are low denominations, I don't expect there'll be that much that we're going to find. So if we look at the 10 Mongo, you see there's nothing on that side. And how about this side? Yeah, nothing. So low value banknote. I'm not surprised there's no UV features. This is a 20 Mongo. And these ones you can get pretty cheaply. What is that? No. Now the 50 Mongo. And yeah, so yeah, they really love horse racing. Yeah, there you go. Oh wait, that looks like it's got some type of UV feature on it. There you go. So, and down below, and also oh yeah, up the top there. So let's have a look at the other ones again. No. Okay, so just the 50. Okay, let's look at the Tugrok banknotes. So here's the one Tugrok. Yeah, so we have the value. There's the UV feature, and oh look, the serial number. So this one pretty much is worth like, I don't know, a 1/10 of a cent. So it doesn't really have much, doesn't have any value really. And that's where we get the banknotes. All currencies end up at 0. So we've got the denomination again and the serial number. That's about it. So this is a 5 Togrog. Data very much they circulate. Then we have the 10 serial number again. Not serial number, the value again. And that's about it. Serial number, no. Okay, let's change hands. Nothing on the 10 on that side. Okay, the 20, we have the value again, serial number, and that's it. On the back, no. Okay, and then we have the 50. It gets more complicated, so we've got the little strips. We have the value, and that's about it. And if we look on this side, it has the same strips again. And then we have the 100. So we had the value. Looks like we had the value on all of them. Some of them have the serial number, some of them don't. And the strips. So that's basically it. So, you know, not much on these banknotes. Not surprising, they're low value. So if you want to check these features on your banknotes, get a little UV lamp. Still haven't got a UV lamp. I was busy buying other stuff, but it's just something interesting for you to do when you want to learn more about banknotes. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my video. Have an awesome banknote and coin collecting time. Thank you, and goodbye.